It came in these two beautiful boxes, ayan. And you know why he's here, guys? Because one of these is for him.
No way! Okay.
Oh, I should say. Grabe. Wow! Oh my God, grabe! Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. And welcome back to our bestie again. Meron na naman tayong special appearance. Ayan. And this time, hindi natin makakalimutan. You can say hi to them.
Hi everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, what are we doing today?
So, alam niyo na guys. Alam niyo na kasi andito na siya eh. So, it means we're doing yet another unboxing.
Oh, is that okay? Right.
Yes, we're going to do another jewelry unboxing today, and this beautiful jewelry. This jewelry is from the company name Silviax Jewelry, and actually this is the second time na pinadalhan nila ako, and I'm very happy because I'm really liking the quality of their jewelry. So when they reach out to me again saying, you know, gusto ko ba na padalhan ng another jewelry, and
of course, yeah.
Who am I to say no? But no, seriously guys, I only accept yung mga ganun kapag nagustuhan ko yung jewelry nila. And then if you watch my I don't know the last time, last year when they sent me a few jewelry last time. Did you hear that? Kasi nandito kami sa office, that's why. Ang tawag dito.
Ba? Sure.
Ano ba? Stop calling us. It's already 5:30. It's finished na. Ayan, so this time,
They're very diverted.
without further ado, ayan, i-open na natin yung mga jewelry na pinadala nila. So, ayan. It came in these two beautiful boxes, ayan. And you know why he's here, guys? Because one of these is for him.
No way! Okay.
Oh, I should say. Grabe. Last month, it was his birthday. Last month, no? May?
Yeah.
It's the birthday niya. And then, I know, it's perfect timing kasi nag-message sila sa akin. So, I thought, you know, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get my bestie one from their side. Because I think, like, he's going to love it. It's, you know, it's pretty, you know, nice. And it's supposed to be a surprise for him, guys. Kaya lang, hindi ko siya pwede surprise kasi hindi ko alam yung kanyang size ng kanyang ring. Kasi gusto niya ng ring. Kaya sinabi ko na lang sa kanya. So, hindi na to sa talaga surprise sa kanya.
But I haven't seen it. So.
But we haven't seen it because, see, as you can see, naka-plastic pa talaga siya. So, I think this is the one. So, ayan. I-open natin to isa. So, this one is for Paris. Ayan. But this one will open first. I'll let you open it because it's yours. Can we come closer?
Too far.
Hindi nila makita.
This is a jumper I got from TK Maxx, by the way.
Oh, yeah. The video we've done.
This is one of the shopping.
Yeah, a couple of nights ago.
Yeah.
Ito yung binili niya. Hindi namin na haul, remember? Kasi may music doon sa shopping center.
Tigs.
Yan. So, ayan. Yun yung suot niya.
Kita naman.
Yeah. Okay. So, inside, pakita mo doon malapit sa
inside there is is it a
polishing cloth.
So it's a cleaning cloth.
Yeah. And merong guys, merong tatak na Silviax. So, yan yung Wow! Oh my God, grabe!
What? Not love.
Hala. Napakita, Jude. Personalized kasi ito ng mga jewelry, guys. So, as you can see, ito yung pinalagay niya. I've got nothing to do with it. Like, seriously, yung sinabi lang niya sa akin na, okay, ito yung ipalagay mo.
What was that? Like, you know, those, the opinion of the guest does not...
Yeah. I don't know. I know what you mean.
The opinion of the guest does not reflect something.
Disclaimer.
Yeah.
Disclaimer. Oh, God. Wow. Pakita mo, ting. Tapos, natin guys, baka i-demonetize tayo ng YouTube. Baby.
Di masiguro. Kay initial naman.
Okay, initial rin noon. Allah. Ako, B?
There.
Wow, tingnan nyo guys.
Huwag mo abot, ha?
Ay, grabe nga, ballpen T. IGGAF.
Wait, computer? Manual parcel order? Where we which side?
T, does it fit?
Yeah, so it fits. I think it fits in.
That's super him. That's so him. I didn't know that it's going to be 2.
Yeah, there's like 2.
2 dyan ito? Oh, wow.
It's nice. Wow. Like, I like the quality though. Hindi
siya, okay. Pwede sa naman. So, what's your thoughts?
Oh my god, the quality is so nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Where did you go? Happy birthday! Happy birthday 1 month later. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I just cut my nails yesterday, so I'm proud.
There! Oh. Diba? Oh. Ayan. Do you like it?
I love it. The quality is so nice.
Yeah. It's so cool. Ayan.
Love.
So that's
oh my
it.
God, I love
and you know
it.
what, guys? I actually received it a while ago, but then I just misplaced it. So
because
that's
I've
why
I've always wanted to wear it here though.
Yeah. So that's probably why you gave me that size. Yes?
Because like, you know, it just...
So hindi na siya sorpresa kasi kailangan ko itanong sa kanya yung size niya at anong gusto niyang ipalagay. So ayan, so there you go. So Silviax personalized jewelry. You're welcome. Personalized jewelry. Ayan, they're perfect for for presents talaga. Yung mga regalo for birthdays and all. Kasi abot kaya sila compared sa obviously real gold and all. But yeah, that's really good.
Love it.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Yeah, and just use the polishing cloth if you want to clean it. Yeah. So that's the first one, and then the second one I actually forgotten already what I got for Paris. Let's open. So I got this one for Paris again. It comes with the polishing cloth. Oh. Cool. Now I remember what I got. So, punan na natin ng plastic. Ano to siya, guys? Necklace siya na name. Ayan. This is what's really good, guys. Kasi this company offers like personalization. So, you can put anything. Your name and all. So, this one, you can see, that's the necklace that I got for Paris. So it's got Paris and also her birthstone. See, because Paris is March. Ayan. Ay, hindi pala to siya necklace, guys. I'm so sorry. Nabuang naman ko eh. Bracelet pala to siya. Super tiny, T.
Yeah.
No. Bracelet pala to siya, guys. Pasensya na. Si Buntis ay nagka-membrane. Ayan.
Cute,
So
I love
that's
it.
what it looks like. Super dainty, but it's, it's strong. Hindi siya madaling mapigtas. No?
I love it. It's beautifully done.
It's very nice. Like, you can make it your own. Ganon. So that's why I chose these two. So for the special people in my life, char. So if you are interested, guys, you can always visit their website, silviax.com. And then I also have some codes for you. So just check the description box below. I'll put everything there, all the links na kailangan yung malaman. And if hindi nyo pa napanood yung video na ginawa ko, also unboxing from last year, I will link it here, there, yeah, I'll link it here somewhere para makita nyo kung ano yung natanggap namin last time. But again, from then till now, it's, yeah, PT because we're in the office right now. So, hindi ko maipapakita sa inyo yung quality. Makikita nyo talaga yung, ano, like, hindi talaga siya nag-tarnish.
It's actually really, like, it's nicely done. It's beautiful.
You can keep it for a long time, I'd say. Kasi hindi talaga siya nagta-tarnish, guys. See, this one is very nice as well because it is adjustable. Ayan. So, later on, pag lumaki na si Paris, she can still wear it.
I love it.
Yeah. So, that's it, guys. Do you like yours? Yeah. So, yeah, I just wanted to...
This.
Yeah, I just wanted to do that quick unboxing for you guys to show you this beautiful jewelry. And,
I love
yeah,
how simple, I love how simple it is as well.
Simple na sa'yo mo, ti?
No, like, as in like the simple, not like... I don't know. I thought it's simple. No, it's not simple. Remember my Versace?
Yeah, that's too much. Yeah. That's cool. Well, I'm glad you like it. So cool.
Wasn't this so cool?
Yeah. But yeah, that's about it, guys. If ever you decided to get, you know, a jewelry of your own, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys kung ano yung binili nyo and all. It makes me happy when you say that, you know, you found the website through me and then you're happy with your items. It makes me really proud. Kasi ano lang yung pinopromote natin dito sa ating channel, guys. Yung mga magaganda lang talaga and we think that it's worth it, right? We just don't take just for the sake of, you know, having stuff.
Thank you. I love it.
You're welcome. Happy birthday, belated. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed our quick unboxing. I'm so glad that my bestie likes it.
It fits me.
This one, yeah, it will fit you. And I think for sure Paris would love it, guys.
Love it.
Paris loves her jewelry. Like, seriously.
Earrings.
Yeah, when we go to the shopping center, she always asks for rings and all. So she'll be really happy with this one. I just want to say thank you to Silviax Personalized Jewelry for sending me this beautiful jewelry. And yeah, looking forward for our next collaboration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
be careful.
Bye. Mwah.